Now we're going to look at terms to know, kind of short question types that can come up. Reinsurance. This is where a risk is considered too large to be insured by one insurance company. The insurance company will spread the risk with a number of companies, for example, shipping and aviation. So, for example, if British Airways wanted to insure their fleet with one particular insurance company, the insurance company then would reinsure that with other insurance companies all over the world to spread the risk. Loading. This is the next one now. This should be familiar to a lot of people in Ireland. The cost of insurance is directly related to the risk being insured against. The higher the risk, the higher the cost of insurance. For example, young people are more likely to have a car accident. Therefore, loading on the premium is done to cover this. Types of compensation. Money is the most common. It can be reinstalled or rebuilt if it's a house, repaired if it's a car, or you can replace the asset if it can't work anymore. A cover note. This is a temporary document issued by the insurance company as proof of existence until the full contract is ready. Insurance policy outlines the full insurance contract, including items covered, value of compensation, and any conditions applying to the insurance. For example, it might be that the car will have to be parked in the driveway rather than on the road. Making a claim. To make a claim, you must report the incident to the Gardaí, then report it to the insurance company, and then complete a claim form. The Gardaí will normally give you a number that's to be quoted to the insurance company. Claim form. The document that must be completed describing what happened and stating the amount of loss suffered. The insurance assessor is an employee of the insurance company who will calculate the value of the compensation resulting from the damage. Proposal form is an application form completed by the person applying for insurance. Exposure unit is the item being insured, such as premises. And no claims bonus. This is a discount offered on premiums to customers who have no insurance claims during the previous year. Remember, it is a no claims bonus, not a no blames bonus. Now, let's move on. Is the risk insurable? These are questions that the insurance company will be asking. Yes, if there is an insurable interest. Yes, if there are enough other people taking out insurance against the risk, or there will be no profit for the insurance company. Yes, if the insurer is capable of establishing risk. Yes, if the compensation is not so great that the insurance company could go bankrupt. And yes, if the loss is accidental or due to chance. Now, here we go with another type of question that could come up. Outline the similarities and differences between a household and a business with regard to insurance. Similarities. Both households and businesses must identify the risks facing them. That's the risk of theft, the risk of fire, the risk of accident. Take all steps necessary to minimize these risks. Shop around to get the best policies which best suit their needs. Insure against financial losses from all risks. Complete all relevant insurance forms and regularly review policies to take account of changes in their circumstances. For example, if you bought a television at Christmas time, many people would forget in the excitement of buying the new television to insure it. Differences. Businesses face a wider range of risks than households, obviously because they're far bigger, so they have a risk of accidents on their premises. They have a risk of the products doing damage. They have a risk of, say for example, they have a big shop window. They also suffer greater losses. Businesses need a greater variety of policies to cover these risks. Businesses must protect their staff against the risk of unemployment arising from accidental damage or fire. And households, however, must pay PRSI on income earned, while businesses not only deduct PRSI from their staff's income, they also have to pay an additional contribution for each employee.